Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a product roadmap with Roadmunk step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Roadmunk account.
If you don't have an account, create one by signing up on the Roadmunk website.
Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Roadmap button. Choose the type of roadmap you want to create.
You can select from options such as timeline, swim lane, or Kanban.
For this tutorial, let's select the timeline view. Now, give your roadmap a compelling title. Add a brief description to outline the purpose of your roadmap. Next, define the timeframe for your roadmap.
This could range from a few months to several years, depending on your project. Once you have your title and time frame set, click on the Add Swim Lane option to categorize your roadmap.
Swim lanes allow you to organize different components or teams involved. Label each swim lane accordingly.
You can choose a color scheme to visually differentiate each swim lane.
Now, it's time to add specific items to your roadmap. Click on the Add Item button to create a new product feature or milestone. Provide a clear name and description for each item.
Specify the priority level for each item to indicate its importance.
Next, set the intended start and end dates for each item. You can easily drag and drop items to rearrange their order within the timeline.
To ensure collaboration, invite team members to view or edit the roadmap.
Click on the Share button at the top right corner. You can generate a shareable link or invite members via email.
Once your roadmap is complete, review it to ensure everything aligns with your goals. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing it. To present your roadmap, you can export it as a PDF or share it directly through Roadmunk.
Save your roadmap to keep all your changes intact.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.